Hello, good day. My name is Fakhri Hanif Fairuz with number matric of 2010533048. I'm a student of manufacturing engineering at UNIMED. Today I would like to talk about my experience or my my working my working experience at this company known as the Jazz Paperboard and Packaging Sdn Bhd, or known as JSPP Selangor. So the introduction of the company, this company is this is the logo for the company, also known as a member of OG Group. Okay, JSPP is the largest player in the domestic container board segment and the integrated paper and packaging manufacturer in Malaysia with 2 paper machines and 18 converting machines. So that means that this company is operated as a subsidiary of OG Holdings Corporations. So OG Holding is Asia's biggest and the world's 4th largest pulp and paper company. So JS, before this, JS also mean as a Genting Sanyan. So if I've not mistaken, so Genting Sanyan is half of government. So they are facing a problem where they did not get enough fund to run this company. So OG find out that this is an opportunity to grow the company and take over this company. So starting in 1998, they ventured into the downstream packaging business to manufacture corrugated carton box. So they find that the value added product further down the supply chain. So if you all can see, this is the process how this company starting to make their products. So from the corrugated process to the converting process and to the finishing before going to the warehouse and become a finished goods. So this is another detail of the paper recycling process. So paper rolls are converting into the paperboard. They will go through the process to reach the finished good. So finally can go to the end consumer. So another waste paper will be recycled back to the paper mill to create a paper rolls. So this is an example of what this company is made is made make sorry okay this is known as the corrugated board. So where is the liner 1 and liner 2, they have a floating paper in the middle, so to make the paper board become more strength. So after done through the process, it will become like this. So if you all can see in my slides, okay, if you can see that this is how corrugated design. So the end of product is will become a box. Okay, okay, okay. Let me start that. I have start my practical in this company as a maintenance. So I'm under maintenance department. So actually there are 2 teams in a maintenance department, which is mechanical teams and electrical teams. So I'm basically is under mechanical team. So I would like to what I would like to tell what I have learned or I have done a job with this mechanical team. So I'm start with the latest, that is today's job, what I've learned from them. So this is grease. So actually before start degreasing the roller, okay, I follow the mechanical maintenance teams. They are adjusting the glue roll glue roll, because the glue roll is not having a same gap. So the gap is a function to make sure the glues through the paper to make the corrugated paperboard. So they are adjusting. After they adjusting, they will use the grease process. Not use a grease process. They will supply grease to make sure the roller runs smooth. So let's go. I'm not telling the detail because doing this job, my hands become too dirty and oil. So there's not a lot of video. I have captured one or two pictures just to tell what I've done at this company. So I'm talking spontaneously, so I'm trying. Sorry if my story is not detailed enough. So okay, so this is another job that I follow by mechanical teams. So they are setting and adjust the blade for cutting the paperboard. So okay, okay, okay. This is the tool of tying machine. So the tool of tying machine. Okay, okay. The tools need to be repaired. So sorry. Okay, this is a detail of tying machine that used to tie the paperboards. So to finishing process. Okay. Uh, I've learned with the mechanical teams how to fix the machines. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, this is a place that store of storage of oil, gear, and hydraulic. So another job that I follow mechanical team is uh, how to tell that to install a chain at the gear. So the previous gear is broken, maybe not too tight, so they have changed with the new chain belt. Sorry, not chain, new chain. So this machine is semi-auto slitering, so it's the process of cutting the paperboard to the required size. So I've learned with them how to change the chain correctly. So okay, so this is the previous chain they have broken. So okay, I'm also learning how to use a grinder, cutting metals. So adjusting, connecting hose for pneumatic system. So learning there are several types of hose at the machines. So this is the following them, fixing the machines at the finishing parts. So the hose are leaking, they change to the hose. So okay, this is a supplier from Taiwan. We follow them. They are setting and adjusting the corrugator roll. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, I'm following this mechanical team, repairing this welding process. Okay, it's a welding process. Yeah. So there is no video or picture that I'm doing this job because uh, everyone is doing a job, so I don't know how to ask help from them to take my video or picture. So sometimes I just quickly on my phone and take the picture video because it's not easy to take all this because sometimes my hands is so dirty and uh, everyone will do different jobs. So done repairing, grinding. So okay, this is actually this is my routine job. So firstly, when I come in the morning, I will do a 5S activity by cleaning, uh, take the equipment and tools, uh, take equipment tools and place it where it belongs. So sometimes at the night shift, they done the job, they will leave the tools at the workshop just like that. So at the morning, I will clean all clean all before start meeting with the maintenance teams. So meeting will start with mechanical manager. They will give it giving a task or briefing a problem at the machines. So cleaning process. Okay, okay. So okay. This is a previous day before they found that the chain is broken. Okay. 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 I follow this mechanic team monitoring to make sure that the paper roll is not having a problem. So actually, this place is so loud. So we need to use a earplug. So this is how actually this is a supplier come from Taiwan to adjust and setting the corrugator roller because our maintenance team have done everything but not successfully. So, okay, this is a steam where they open before the suppliers start to adjusting the corrugator roller. So okay, this is the new corrugator roller that will be installed on previous Sunday. So actually this is a past jobs. Actually, maintenance is an interesting job because I'm not doing a same job, same work. So every day I will do a different job. So I mean a new experience, gaining new information. So there is a lot of pictures and videos actually. Uh, Everything is a different job. So let let us go first. So okay, sometimes I'm doing a painting job. I'm doing a refill oil of key oil. So okay, uh, sometimes mechanical teams and electrical teams they will doing work together. So I would like to say that this company environment is so great and cheerful because they like to help each other. So okay, this holder is not functioning, so they are trying to fixing. Okay, adjusting. uh, I learned how to paint corrugated parts. So before start a painting, okay, this is the first job that clean the grease or oil by using a diesel and then wipe it until it clean to begin a painting job. So this is a printing pump that has been leaked or damaged. So we change the pipes. Okay, this is a cleaning process with maintenance. So I wipe the corrugated parts uh, to make sure there are no grease because they want to paint it. Okay, this is adjusting corrugated machine too. So basically, my job is more to the corrugator, but it's not a everyday job. So sorry. Okay, uh, the steam pipe is leaking, so I follow the mechanical team to troubleshoot what is the problem. So, so how to use the right tools, equipment, tightening the screws. So actually there's a lot of noise at this place, so it's hard to tell. So there are a lot of works that we are done, cutting, drilling, welding. So there we bring it to the maintenance to done a welding process because the divider is broken. Sorry, okay, this is an example of corrugated paperboard. So So actually, this also a technician from the supply machine. So they are teaching the maintenance team so how to service, how to check where the place when having a problem, how to adjust the correct way, and how to grease at the right place. So they uh, they teach the maintenance chief about half a day, I think. So starting from 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock. So, so sorry, is my video is not proper, but I'm trying to be spontaneously telling about what I've done, uh, a job that I've gained my experience in doing my practical. So, uh, so sorry. Actually, in this video, I didn't know that the video will be needed to done in English. So I follow the maintenance team doing support for the divider for the paper roll. So when the paper roll through this, sometimes the divider will broken and the maintenance team need to come and do a welding process. So, uh, sorry. So this is a brake check. So actually the brake for holding the paper roll is not functioning. So I learned with the maintenance teams how to troubleshoot what is the problem with the brake. So we open and cleaning up and testing. So we found out that the hose is leaking, and the next day we changed to the new hose for 4 mm, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, yes, 4 mm. So okay, this is how to check the brake pump. So okay, this is the arm that holding the paper roll. Okay, this the previous job that I think 2 weeks ago that I've learned how to install a new belt. So if you can see from this picture, this is a old belt. So there is a hole, and this is a new belt. So it's not hard enough. So I think I get a new experience on how to install the belt. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is where I tighten the screw. Okay, this is the interesting job that I've done with mechanical teams. Uh, Repairing and fixing the hostel grill. So because the grill is broken, so uh, my supervisor given me a task with the mechanical teams to repair the grill. So I learned how to do a welding rod with these foreigner workers from Nepal. So this is how I learned to use the Allen key, tighten the screw correctly. So this is I follow the mechanical maintenance team to greasing the roller. So okay, everything that move circle like roller need grease to prevent them from broken or damaged. So to make sure the bearings are run smoothly. So okay, this is where part that I try to install a divider to prevent the forklift from hitting the wall. So at these maintenance teams, I learned how to do a drilling process, cutting process by using a grinder, drill machine, welding process, welding rod, using the equipment and tools, how to use a pillar gauge, screwdriver, Allen key, spanner. Okay. Okay, this is where we are fixing the what we call the drinking machine. So we change with the new filter. Okay, the old filter is broken and leaking. So if you can see I follow the maintenance team installing the motor, adjusting wrapping, I also learning wrapping in maintenance. So this is a maintenance department. If you all can see, sorry if my video is too long, but there is a lot I want to tell actually. So every day it will a different job. So sorry if my video is got too long. So I think we go fast. So this is one storage tank or storage room. Sorry. Okay. I learned how to laminate the paper. Okay, this is motor where I learned with the mechanical teams how to open the motor from the machines. So basically Allen key is the important tools. So this they adjusting the blade of the manual sliter that used for cutting the paperboard. So I learned a lot from them. So changing a roller, check the vacuum of wastage. So following them how to troubleshoot what is the problem at the machines. So how using the skyleaf. Basically they taught me everything, not in detail but basic that everyone can know. So how to open these parts, how to assemble it back, how to disassemble the okay. Actually I'm starting to love the maintenance job. Actually it's fun. This is my given task for my SB. I'm with other practical student installing a new bag Okay, installing the bed. So I follow the maintenance team installing the new roller for the PS 700 machines, known as the printing machine or die cut machine. So I think how to open the roller or gear or bearings using this equipment known as a puller. So this equipment known as a puller, so this I learned with them how to install a belt. So I learned with the maintenance team how to install a belt at the roller, at the corrugator roller. So using this hand grinder, drilling. Okay, this is where part as cutting the steel L plate. Okay. So okay, so we don't have much time, so I try to talk what I've done with the maintenance team. So I follow with them installing a divider. So the forklift sometimes hitting the charger. So we are installing the divider. So see, as you can see, there are a lot of story that I want to tell, but I think that we don't have enough time. Basically, I know that my lecturer asked 5 to 8 minutes only, so actually I'm excited to tell all about my work I've done with them. So this is how using a hydraulic press to take out the bearings. I don't know how to adjust, but I know how to install the parts at the machines because they have taught me how to installing parts. Sorry, I'm not good at speaking, but I'm trying to tell what I've done. So cutting process, measuring. So this is a previous job that we have done before make the divider for the forklift. So changing hose, checking pump, changing gear. Different machine have a different chain gear. So it's also hose. Sorry. Yeah. Merdeka celebration. So I think I will tell until this part only. So finally, this is my video from my SB.
Good day, my name is Avinash. I am maintenance manager for GS Paperboard and Packaging Mero Klang. So Fakhri Hanif has been reporting to me for the past of 2 months. He had been exposed to various machines within our plant, namely corrugator machine, printing machine, and also die cut slaughter machine. So Fakhri Hanif is demonstrating a good commitment in his daily work, in our maintenance procedure during his working period. He is been improving a lot since the day he had joined. He's currently well versed with our daily job and our maintenance schedule and also our production workflow. I am sure that he had been exposed and learned adequate knowledge for a fresh graduate to start a journey in a manufacturing industry with GS Paperboard and Packaging Selangor. Thank you.